Hey guys, welcome back to my channel SMDM to new video of Arduino Programming Series. Here we are learning the Arduino programming from very basic levels to advanced, and this is the fifth tutorial of this series. And we have started to know the all of the data types what we are using in Arduino programming. There are three: numeric data type, text data type, and array data type. So I have already explained about the numeric data type in my fourth tutorial. And before starting of text data type and array data type, we should learn about the serial monitor. Serial monitor is a very important tool in Arduino programming. By using it, we can do the serial communication between the Arduino and any external device. So what is serial communication, what is serial monitor, and how we can use it, everything you will learn from this video. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Let's first discuss what is serial communication. So before explain, I want to give one example to you guys. Suppose your friend are saying one topic or any story to you, and you are listen first very carefully, and then you just give a feedback to your friend. So here we can do this by verbally. And if I say for Arduino or any external sensor, then how it is possible for them? So here this concept is coming serial communication. Okay. Suppose Arduino want to send one signal or one data to the external sensor. That may be gas sensor, that may be Bluetooth sensor, and the sensor also send one feedback to Arduino. And that time we can use this serial communication term. Okay, so here you can see in the Arduino board there is D0 pin and D1 pin, also called as TX and RX pin. Okay, so by using UART communication protocol, we can make a data communication between Arduino board and any external device, and that communication also called as serial communication. So let make understand what is UART communication. Communication protocol is usable for those kind of device who has TX and RX pin. Okay, so here you can see the Arduino pin already has TX and RX, and there is another device, external device, that may be Bluetooth device, that may be gas sensor or whatever. Okay, so here Arduino is sending data by the TX pin, and the device is receive the data, and whatever any feedback from the device, then device can send this feedback by using this TX pin, and Arduino can receive the data from this device by using RX pin. So here by that way Arduino make a UART communication protocol or data communication between Arduino and this device. Okay, this TX and RX pin also connected to the programming port. So when we are uploading any program by our laptop or our PC to the Arduino board, that time it also connected there. So we can made a UART protocols between our laptop or PC and the Arduino board. So let's see how it can possible. So guys, here I'm going to write a program, and by this program I will send one data from my PC to Arduino board, and I want to pin this data into the serial monitor. So let's see how it can possible. So guys, I told that our D0 and D1 pin, that is TX and RX pins, already connected to our programming port. So when we are want to starting any serial communication, that time we should write this line, serial dot begin, then first open bracket, then close bracket. So here S is the capital. When you make a serial communication between your PC to Arduino board, or you want to use any external peripheral device to connecting your Arduino, or when you want to use that TX and RX pin and you want to make the serial communication between them, that time you should write this line. Okay, this line, the serial communication initialized. Okay, so inside the bracket I have to put the baud rate. So what is baud rate? Baud rate is the speed of the communication, and the unit is bit per second. So here I have to put 9600. So 9600 is very default baud rate for all device. So all devices are communicating in this speed, and at the end I have to put the semicolon. So guys, here our target is we want to send data to Arduino board for our PC or laptop, and we are using serial monitor. Suppose I just want to press Y and send to Arduino. So that Y I also want to pin into the serial monitor. So this is our target. So let's see how it can possible. So guys, here I am going to send the data from my serial monitor to Arduino board, and I just want to pin this data into the serial monitor. Okay, so for that I need to choose one variable. Okay, so where the data will be stored. So here I am choosing character data type. So I'll let you know in my next tutorial about the character data type, but here as of now I can choose a character data type. Then I want to choose a variable name, then equal. For the read the data into the serial monitor, there is one command, that is serial dot read, then semicolon. Okay, and now all the data whatever I'll send from my serial monitor, it will store into the variable X. Now I want to pin the data into the serial monitor. So that time there is another command, that is dot sorry serial dot print. Then under the bracket you have to put the variable name. So then semicolon. Let me upload this program to my Arduino board. Okay, so uploading is done. Let's open the serial monitor and see what is going on. So guys, here you can see this garbage value is painted into the serial monitor. Why? We didn't started the serial communication, but it already painted the garbage value. Why? Because you can see here this serial.read by this command, it taken all the garbage value and store into the x variable, and when we pin this x variable, it printed all the garbage value in the serial monitor. Now let me do something where we remove this garbage value, and when we start the serial communication, that's mean when we start to send any data to Arduino, that time it only pin those data and ignore all the garbage value. Let's see how we can do it. So guys, here I need to apply one condition, and the condition name is if. So I'll let you know all about if condition and uses of if condition in some other video, but here I'm just using it to apply the condition, and where we start the serial communication, that time it will take the value and print it into the serial monitor. Okay, so here you can see I am apply this line. So this line is saying when serial available, means when we have started the serial communication, that's mean when we sending any data to Arduino, that time the below line will execute. So for that here I need to put some curly bracket and close curly bracket. So here you can see this curly bracket is for if condition, and this is the close curly bracket for if condition, and this is the first curly bracket for void loop, and this is the close curly bracket for void loop. So let me upload this comment. So the program is uploading. So let's see on the serial monitor what is happening. So guys, now you can see there is no garbage value printed. So let me send one data. I'm sending R and it is printed R. Let me send O U P H K. So here you can see by applied this condition, when I sending any data, that time it will print the data. Other time it ignore all the garbage value. Okay, so now we are good at this point, and this is the procedure to print any data into the serial monitor. And I hope guys you are getting a lot of things from this video today. So we are done for the day. Here from this video you learn a lot of things about the serial monitor, serial communication, and how we can print any data to serial monitor, everything. So if you guys have still any question or concern, just feel free to ask my comment box, and from next video onwards we'll learn about the data types. Okay, if you learn from my video, please hit the like button and share to your friend. And if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel. We are done for the day. Let's see you all in the next video. Thank you guys for watching this video.